It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. John's going to be working on a project that he started previously.
The EYEfish.
Okay, John, tell them all about it.
EYEfish. This is the background that we had made a while before. It's metallics and it kind of looked like water, and it was just a pour, and it didn't really do much of anything. It's got some purple in it, a lot of metallic colors in it. And what we're going to do is I'm making this abstract fish. I'm going to call it an EYEfish, and you'll see why when it's done. I'm going to do this similar to the way I did my horse picture, with using some heavy body Liquitex acrylic paint with a palette knife. So I'm going to start here now.
You go, John. You go, John. You go, John.
You go. Let's pick a color. Oh, there's a color.
Hugo, isn't that a car?
Hugo.
Hugo.
Not a Hugo.
A Hugo, John. Hugo.
Hugo.
It was a
Hugo.
It was a Hugo.
Hugo.
Yeah, that's why I was saying you go, John.
Not like a Hugo.
Yeah.
Okay, I pretty much got it covered the way I figure it's going to be. Still got a lot to do, but not today because it's going to have to dry. I'm going to remove the patch and hopefully it comes off before it dries. I'll get that off. A wet spot.
Wet spot that's not colored though.
It's pretty much dry in here now. It'll be fine. It'll be fine, hopefully.
Nice job, John. It's looking nice and colorful. Cool. Very cool.
Hence the name EYEfish.
Oh, you got more tape there.
Oh, that's why it's not coming off. I wonder why the blue won't come off, and it's...
Yeah, and you got tape there too.
Yeah. Double-sided tape. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And thank you.
You're most welcome.
Okay. Okay, so that's it. Oops.
So you added, you used some of the Liquitex heavy body
Yes, I
paints,
did.
right?
Yes, I
and
did.
then you used some of the Reeves.
Whatever that stuff is. What is it called? Reeves?
I don't know, you could spell it because I can't pronounce it.
Run it there. Use that paint. And I tried a little bit of this metallic. I can't remember if it's anything else. Metallic blue. Aquamarine. And what we're going to do next is we're going to let this dry. And then we're going to come back and, oh, I got some stuff in there. And we're going to blow some paint all around on it.
Meanwhile, he's done. Great job. It's looking really nice and colorful. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoy us showing you what we're doing. If so, please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Give us a thumbs up. Check out our other paintings on eBay, username John Him. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying thank you for watching, be kind to one another, and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Bye-bye. Here we go. You see?
Good luck.
We're going to try out today my new blower. It's a beauty. I don't know if you all can see it.
Yeah, I'll look and see.
Can you see?
Yep.
Okay. We're going to try this out with a little bit of red paint here. I've got to blow towards the cardboard. Come on. I think that's it for now. Take a little looky, see what it looks like. Got a lot of colors on there. I'm gonna peel off this cardboard here now. See what we got. That's what we got. Maybe I'll make a little sticks and go around it a little bit. And
Pretty cool, Johnny boy.
we'll see.
Still gotta do the eye though, huh?
Do the eye. After this dries, so do that eyeball. Oops.
Oops.
Okay.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and family. Give us a thumbs up. Check out our other paintings on eBay site, user John Him. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying thank you for watching, be kind to one another, and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Bye-bye. Okay, this is the last part of the EYEfish. I'm going to add a little bloodshot veins to it. Hopefully this will work. Okay. The red may come out a little too dark. I'll have to check and see when it dries. Thank you. EYEfish. Think it's finished.